In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the EAC Anti-Cheat Launch error on Steam games. What you want to do is you want to right click the game when you're having trouble, go to Manage, browse local files, open up the EAC Anti-Cheat folder, and from in here you should see an EAC Anti-Cheat setup. Now I already created a shortcut, so I'm just going to delete it, but what you want to do is select this one, create a shortcut. Once you have the shortcut, right click on it, Properties, and on the target you want to go all the way to the right side, so use your keys for this, all the way to the right side, make a space after the two stripes and type install space prod-fn, exactly like this, install space prod-fn, and it's really important you make a space before this and then type it in. After that, press apply, press OK, right click on this one and run as an administrator, and once you've done that, there will be a little black box and then the game should work. Now if this still doesn't make the game work, what you can do is right click on the game, Properties, Installed Files, Verify Integrity of Game Files. After you've done both of these, the game should most likely work. If it doesn't, the last thing I suggest you do is simply do a clean reinstall of the game and EAC Anti-Cheat. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.